Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AIUU Studio One. Now our topic is motivational skill. Motivational skill is very important and it matters to a rare person. It is not a common skill because motivator is the key of any job. Motivator create emotion and create spirits to do something. Motivator creates vision. Motivator creates objective. Motivator creates dreams. Motivator can change the direction of human being. If you give a positive motivation and create new jobs and new spirits in the people, then must we change the nation. Therefore, it is a necessary to motivator create a positive motivation. If we give the positive motivation, then the people do work. People not only do a work, they become a creative person. They become a job holder. They become a educationalist. If we give a negative motivation, then this is a flaw, this is a gap, this is a drawback of the nation. Nowadays, people are giving a negative motivation, therefore, our young blood not doing anything. They are wasting their time, they are wasting their jobs, they are wasting their skills. Therefore, I think this skill can adopt everyone's. If a father, a teacher, or a social worker adopt this skill, then they can change the attitude of people. They can change the mind of people. Therefore, I suggest to everyone, please think on this topic, on this lesson. You are develop your motivational skill. You think about the positive motivation. This thing you create in your students, in your child, in your nation, then you must be achieve the successful way. Your nation become a positive. Your nation make a positive. Your nation make a positive thinking approach. If you do not do this, then this nation can waste their time. This nation can destroy. This nation can give you a loss. This nation can give you a destroy. Therefore, must be, if we want to jump our country in the world, then must be a provide a good motivation, positive motivation. Every teacher, every father, every social worker, every person give a positive motivation. Positive motivation mean when you give a way of positive, when you see a dream positive, when you think a positive. Therefore, I suggest to everyone, every person, every woman, every child, every father, every teacher, you do their job in a good way. Create a motivation in the nation so that our nation become a well-known nation. And inshallah, if you do this job, then this nation must become a good nation. Like as Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the best motivator. Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave a motivation to Sahaba radhiyallahu ajmain. Then Sahaba radhiyallahu ajmain do a work. for the nations. They do everything for the human being. If we give a good motivation, then our nation must be do everything for whole mankind. Our nation must become beneficial for whole mankind. If we want to become a good nation, then must we do this thing. Therefore, now recently we should do this work. We give a good job to their children, their students, and other national people. Everyone, if do this work, then our people must be the believer of the God. We believe on God and believe on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then must be Allah will help us, because our heartily desire, we want to change. We want to change our people. We want to change the mind of people. We want to change the thinking of the people. We want to change the thinking of approach of people. We want to change the dream of people. We want to change the vision of the people. Then must be we should do this work regularly, continuously. Inshallah, we should do this work for the Allah. Thank you very much.